Police in Calcutta are investigating after the bodies of 14 babies and fetuses were found wrapped in plastic bags during construction work. Local media said the remains were found on Sunday when workers dug up a vacant plot of land in the Haridefpur neighborhood. An unnamed police officer quoted by the Press Trust of India suggested an abortion racket operating nearby could be responsible, since the 14 bodies wrapped separately in plastic were in 2 bags, and it also appears the bodies were soaked in chemicals. Calcutta's Mayor Sylvain Chatterjee said thorough search of the entire area, including nearby water bodies, will be conducted to see if there are more bodies.